Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get the time warp filter. First, open your favorite social media app, such as TikTok or Instagram. Look for the plus icon, usually at the bottom center, to start creating new content. Once you are in the creation screen, locate the Effects or Filters button, often represented by a smiley face or a star icon. This will open up the filter gallery for you to explore. Now that you are in the Effects gallery, it's time to find our specific filter. Look for a search icon, typically a magnifying glass, and tap on it. In the search bar, type Time Warp Scan or simply Time Warp. You will see several results. Make sure to select the official Time Warp Scan filter, which usually has a distinct icon or creator name associated with it. This ensures you are using the correct effect. With the Time Warp filter selected, position your camera to capture your desired scene or subject. When you are ready, press and hold the record button. A blue line will begin to scan across your screen, either vertically or horizontally. As the line moves, subtly shift your body, face, or the camera itself to create fascinating distortions. Try moving slowly or quickly to see how the effect changes your video. After recording, take a moment to review your video and ensure you are happy with the time warp effect. If it looks great, tap the Save button, usually an arrow pointing downwards, to download the video directly to your device's gallery. From there, you can easily share your unique creation to your story, feed, or send it to friends. Don't forget to add fun captions or relevant hashtags to boost engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.